Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on add picture, and here we've got different sections from which we can choose the picture from. So in the device photos we've got our own gallery, of course, and we've got this camera option, so we can tap on the camera and your device will immediately open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Google Photos, where you've got your backed up photos, and illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, so you can choose something. It is useful if you do not have a photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So let me choose something from those options, something nice, maybe maybe something from the amphibians and reptiles. Maybe this one is cute. Alright, so after tapping on it, here we've got some kind of preset, so you can change the colors, totally up to you. You can crop the picture, and it does not really matter whether you will choose the illustration or your photo from the gallery, or you will take it immediately by tapping on the camera. Basically, you can crop it. You can also zoom it in or out just by pinching your device. You can also change the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted square is responsible, and highlighted circle, not square, is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. And remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And here we've got our contact in the photo saved. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, for example, and during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.